As your child continues to grow, you need to understand that creativity is as important as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. As parents, you may not realize that your children have already started their creativity exploration so many times with you. Let's see. Bringing them to the piano lesson the first time. Encouraging them to make speech on stage the first time. How about introducing WhalesBot AI module to them for the first time? Open the gate to creativity exploration journey for them. Let us also get to know it from children's point of view. WhalesBot AI module combines artificial intelligence technologies such as audio, visual, and emotion expression, and so on. It brings the building blocks, soul, and thoughts. WhalesBot AI module deeply applied, self-developed, high-performance, and intelligent serve motor. WhalesBot AI module brings building blocks ingenuity. With wide range of high-precision sensors, now children are able to design smarter robots. WhalesBot AI module. It's children's friend. What's more, it is an ideal platform for training children to be more creative.
We always wanted them to watch less TV and play less computer games, hoping they can take learning initiative. But nothing happened. Until we met AI model. You should have seen how kids were attracted. AI model is the first robot friend with artificial intelligence technology in the process of children's growth. Children no longer need us to get more involved with learning process. And we also believe that every kid deserves its own AI model. Simon! How are you, buddy?
I'm fine.
Look.
Let WhalesBot take us to explore 10,000 future possibilities of each child. And the future is happening right now. WhalesBot, creativity.